Sooner or later, life is going to put you in a hole that's so deep that you're going to feel the game is already over. The odds will seem impossible, and the world will have already accounted you out. But what if those moments that feel like they're the absolute end are actually the beginning of the greatest comeback story that you'll ever tell? This is the story of Super Bowl 51, where the Patriots were getting destroyed by the Atlanta Falcons. In the third quarter, the score was just 28-3. The world had written off the Patriots, as the Falcons' win probability was past 99%. It was hopeless. But then something shifted while in the locker room. The Patriots wide receiver, Julian Edelman, he looked at Tom Brady and he said, "This is going to be a hell of a story." That sentence held the seed to the Patriots' entire comeback, which was belief. That comeback didn't happen with one big play. It started with a single touchdown and then one crucial defensive stop. And now the Patriots had hope. They weren't focused on the 28-3 deficit. They were only focused on the next play. The lesson wasn't about magic, it was about process. You can't erase a 25-point deficit with just one big shot, but you can run one successful play and then another. Just 2 years earlier, a similar story was written in the 2016 NBA Finals. The Cavs were facing the Golden State Warriors, who had just finished the regular season with the most wins in NBA history with 73. The Warriors had stormed out to a 3-1 lead, and no team in NBA history had ever come back from a 3-1 deficit. It was over. But the Cavs had LeBron James, who refused to quit. He and his teammate Kyrie Irving dominated Game 5, forcing a Game 6. They weren't looking at the mountain, they were only focused on the next step. And after winning Game 6, they forced a Game 7. The turning point of the game is what we now call the block, where LeBron goes full court to block the go-ahead layup with less than 2 minutes left on the clock. The Cavs made history, not for winning 3 straight, but for focusing on the game that was right in front of them. Think about those moments: a 28-3 deficit with a 99% chance of failure, a 3-1 deficit against the greatest regular season team ever. In both situations, the world saw an ending. The teams themselves saw an opportunity to focus. They took an impossible task and broke it down into small wins. 1 first down, 1 defensive stop, 1 more game. The Patriots scored 31 unanswered points to become the first team in NFL history to win a Super Bowl in overtime. The Cavs won Game 7 on Golden State's home floor, and in doing so, they brought the city of Cleveland their first championship in 52 years. Your life can make you feel like you're down 28-3. Your relationships, your career, your personal goals, they'll all face setbacks that seem impossible. In those moments, it'll be easy to look at the scoreboard and give up. But in these stories, there's a powerful lesson. Don't look at the scoreboard, just focus on the next play. Break your impossible comeback into small wins. Great comebacks are built piece by piece, with your belief and a simple focus of what you can do right now. Your comeback story begins with the very next step. If this story resonated with you, share it with somebody that you think needs to hear it. And for more stories on beating the odds, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.